Hello and good morning, students. Here's just a quick video to answer the question, what is the best way to ask my instructor a question while I'm doing my homework? If you are within a My Math Lab assignment, let's say that we open up section 2.6, and remember that you always want to watch your video first and take notes. I'm going to pretend I've done that. Open up question number 1. So my question is, find the size for item A that is the best buy, give the unit price for that size. And let's say that I really don't have an idea how to do this problem. I can use the Help Me Solve This button, which is going to help me solve this problem and give me a different one. I can view an example, which is going to show me a related problem. I can open my textbook, or I can ask my instructor. And this is the best way to ask me a question. If you select Ask My Instructor, it's going to shoot an email. Hold on one second. Dogs, quiet. Stop. My dogs are arguing over there. If you select the Ask My Instructor, it's going to send an email straight to me, and it's going to put a link to this exact problem. So you can type whatever message, please help, and then send directly to me. Okay, and what that's going to do is send me a link to your problem. I can open that up, see exactly what you're working on, and then provide the best possible response. So you heard my computer ding. That email went to myself that quickly. There you go, students. That's the best way to ask me a question. I hope you have a great week and enjoy the math.